Careful.
No wheel tire.
Now we're lined up.
A wheel, tire.
What are you gonna do with all your sticks, baby?
Stick someone.
You have so many sticks. So cool with sticks.
Oh no.
There you go.
At this point, I'm trying to
To
turn
whoa.
the caliper. Well, I
Really
turned it,
slow.
yeah, when I pull it up on it. Okay. I think I just lined up. Yeah, I got
Tuck tuck.
Good job. Maybe you can reach this one. Oh, good one.
Good job.
Oh, good one. Yeah, they're gonna all fall down now in March. They're supposed to come down.
Mhm.
Falling down. And it's falling down.
Whoa.
Leaves falling down.
I'm falling.
It's a good one. Hi, baby.
You're not taking me.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Okay, bye. And she's just gonna eat while I finish making the rest of the pancakes. Yummy? Is it good? Yum. So once it gets to like this, I just make one super pancake. That way I don't have to stress about it. I always do this. Either it becomes a super pancake or it becomes a mini pancake. But so far it's solely been a super pancake, which is fine. That's just not going to go into the things that are the pancakes that are going to be frozen for the next couple weeks or so. And we won't always do chocolate chip pancakes. We have a few in rotation that we like to do. But when she requests, usually she goes for chocolate chip pancakes or brownie pancakes, one of those. Breakfast. We're gonna go eat. Well, me and X are gonna go eat, and we'll catch up with you later. But first, look at her face. Look at me. Oh no! And this is kind of how we freeze them. We just kind of layer them with some wax paper, and then put them, wrap them in foil, and then I put them in here just so they're all in one place and they don't get lost in the freezer. And they're good for about, I think, 3 months or so, but they don't usually last like more than a week and a half or so. Okay, so it is Monday because I didn't vlog at all after pancakes. But there is a tornado warning in our area, so we are in our pantry because that is the safest place in our house. Because they said that until 6:15 we need to seek shelter. So we are in our pantry. Here's the nanny girl. Here is the Tom baby. We have pillows.
What's on the pillows?
Uh-huh. Papa, you coming?
A blanket.
Yeah, blanket. Nenny's freaking out.
And then Nanny has a tail.
Yeah, Nenny has a tail. Nenny, you gotta calm down, baby. Gotta calm down.
Go down.
Calm down. We didn't want her roaming because honestly there's food everywhere, and yeah. Calm down. But yeah, that is our status. We don't think anything's gonna happen,
No,
but
I'm pretty sure it's the worst of it's already
I
done.
know, right? Setting up took longer than the actual thing. But we are just being safe. And Nenny's freaking out. We're just family snack party is what we're doing. Okay, bye. Hi.
Here you go.
Do my phone die?
No.
And
Did the reception die?
my tops.
Stop trying to cap it.
Tap it. Look at that is.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Uncle. Are you calling him? So the time, safety time, is pretty much passed since when they told us to go seek shelter. But we're just going to stay here a little bit longer because it is really, really dark outside.
Nice.
And it's still pretty bad. But we think we're through the worst of it. So
Upside down.
it should be fine.
Upside down.
Mm-hmm. You upside down? Sit down.
Upside down.
The only tricky part is we're in a very small space with a toddler and a puppy who's kind of blind and she doesn't really know what's happening. So she freaked out a little bit. I'm trying to comfort her. I gave her a couple of treats just to calm her down, but we can't have her roaming. So I think if we need to do this a little bit more effectively, next time I'm going to take some of the food out, and that way we'll have a little bit more space to be more comfortable. Not a lot more space, but a little bit more space.
See.
Hmm?
Okay, Nanny.
Yeah? Hey, sit down.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down.
But yeah, everything is going good. It is still bad. Peekaboo. Still pretty bad outside, so yeah. I don't think we're gonna have time to do nap or bath time with her tonight. And I'm supposed to be cooking dinner right now at the moment, but we're trying to be safe. Check back in later, hopefully.
Oh.
Say hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, I got my animal.
You gotta work on that.
Some water. Some water.
Some water. So I was putting you guys away, as in the camera, and she got mad. Kid, you ready to go outside? It's fine to go outside now. I have to put Nenny out back into her area. So yeah, we're pretty sure that the worst of it is behind us. You
Juice.
want some juice? Let's go get you some juice. Come on.
Apple juice.
You have to get off my leg for me to get you apple juice. Ow, that's more on my leg. Oh, also casualty, her water table died.
Oh.
Oh! And so did my leg.
Oh. Ow. Oh. Look, it's Nanny. Hi.
I'm gonna need Papa's help to get out.
It's Nanny.
Because she's pinning me in a corner.
Some.
Papa, can you help me out? The baby won't let me out. And she wants apple juice, but then she body slammed my leg. Anyway, just like that, it's done. Double rainbow. I don't know if you can see it on here because it's still
Probably not. I can barely.
I can barely see the second one. But double rainbow.
No. It's me.
It's raining. No!
Oh, gross.
Gross.
Oh no. Oh no. Look
That's my
at
favorite.
his shoes.
You forgot shoes?
Yes. Gross.
Gross.
It's gross.